Belarus is the biggest European country without access to the sea, and it is as big as Belgium, Switzerland and entire Greece all together. Quite often Belarus is called the lungs of Europe. The reason is simple: almost 40% of the country is covered with forests. Moreover, there are marshlands stretching across the country for almost 1.7 million hectares that annually absorb huge amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 77% of Belarus' population resides in urban area and only 23% in the countryside. Minsk is the capital of the Republic of Belarus with 2 million inhabitants. It is the real estate agent's mantra: location, location, location. But it's true for real estate values too. The price model of any real estate object on the open market is simple: the right location. You can change the structure, remodel it or alter the building's layout, but ordinarily you cannot move it, it's attached to the land. GIS is a tool for working smarter. We use GIS to identify real estate location, to integrate different sources and formats data to one database, to visualize data and objects, for value modeling process, analysis and visualization results. Different sources of data we use for mass valuation, such as boundary map, restricted areas, land use, recreation zones, road and street net, value zones, aerophotography, satellite imagery, addresses, land plots, buildings, sales and real estate market information, utilities, ecology, development plans, and so on, and etc. We use standard ArcGIS applications, but also we have some ourselves developed applications. One application, PMF, you can see on the screen. We created this application for the needs of our pilot project of mass valuation of real estate, like one unit, land plot and building or apartment all in one, the Matryoshka principle we call it. Nowadays in Belarus we have mass valuation of lands and land plots since early 2000s. By using GIS, valuers can identify all types of properties with similar use, codes, size, location, or other features that affect value in a specified area. Knowing the location of the subject property in relation to different factors such as schools, shops, recreation zones, railway, roads, public transportation, healthcare, commercial industrial area, flood zones or water frontage improves accuracy of mass valuation models. Process to the result of mass valuation is simple. First of all, you need well-motivated and educated team. Create the necessary conditions and then step out a little. This team will create necessary databases, processes of collecting data, all necessary valuation infrastructure, and even help tax authority and your government to figure out all necessary conclusions and make right decisions. During pilot project of mass valuation of real estate for the last 2 years, we also made panoramic views like Google Panorama, but by ourselves. It helps to connect data from registers about the property with its pictures, how it looks like. And it's not so expensive as you may think. GIS makes it easy to spot such things as differences between selling prices and assessed values or missed assessments. Values can also be analyzed by neighborhood to help identify areas of concern. Of course, we use GIS for visualization of the results of the mass valuation. Today you can find on the map of the Republic of Belarus the mass valuation results for lands and land plot, and use them for different purposes, including taxation. This information is free of charge. Use our website www.vl.nca.by. That's it. Thank you for your attention, and don't hesitate to contact me if you need any more information about using GIS in mass valuation, or if you know more about mass valuation of real property in the Republic of Belarus. And I tell you much more interesting things. Thank you very much.